Creating a professional CV is crucial for job applications. Here's a concise guide. Contact information. Begin with your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile at the top. Professional summary. Write a brief paragraph summarizing your career goals, key skills, and what you bring to a potential employer. Work experience. List your work history in reverse chronological order. Include the company name, job title, dates of employment, and a bulleted list of accomplishments and responsibilities. Quantify achievements when possible. Education. Mention your academic qualifications, starting with the most recent. Include the institution's name, degree earned, major, graduation date, and any honors or awards. Skills. Highlight relevant technical, soft, and language skills. Use a combination of bullet points and the proficiency level scale. Certifications and training. Include any relevant certifications, courses, or workshops that enhance your qualifications. Achievements. Add a section for notable achievements, awards, or recognition related to your field. Projects or publications. If applicable, showcase significant projects or publications that demonstrate your expertise. References. Typically, you don't need to include references on your CV. Instead, state that they are available upon request. Formatting. Use a clean and professional template with consistent fonts and bullet points. Be concise and maintain a professional tone. Proofread. Check for spelling, grammar, and formatting errors. Ask a friend or colleague to review it as well. Customize. Tailor your CV for each job application by emphasizing skills and experiences relevant to the specific position. Length. Aim for a CV that's no longer than 2 pages, but don't omit essential details for the sake of brevity. PDF format. Save your CV as a PDF to ensure it retains its formatting when viewed by potential employers.